Put your gloves on. Let's tie-dye today.
Alright, here we go. We have a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in a soda ash water solution for 20 minutes or more and spun out in the washing machine until damp. The design that we're going for here today, I want to do like a burst of color from the side of the shirt. So we're going to have to use our washable marker, and we're going to make an arc on the one side, so we'll have a line to follow as we fold. And now, starting at the bottom of the shirt, I'm just going to make small pinching finger folds, following the line that I drew with my washable marker, and keeping that line as straight as possible while folding towards the top. Let's speed this up just a little bit. Now that I have my fold done, I need to straighten out my line, so I'm going to go through each fold and make sure that the lines match up well, and then I'm going to put a rubber band to hold it into place. Nothing more frustrating than when a rubber band breaks. Now that I have my line rubber banded into place, here on the end, instead of doing more stripes, I want the center of the design to be a crinkle. So I'm just crinkling this portion together, just a little tiny crinkle, and we're going to rubber band it into place. Now that I have the crinkle rubber banded, I have my first line rubber banded, I'm going to go back through and straighten out all of my folds so I can add rubber bands a couple inches apart, so we'll be able to make stripes. Okay, I've got that section straightened out. Got my folds nice and straight across there, so we're going to add another rubber band and then continue to work out through the design by refolding, reshaping my fan folds so I can continue to add more sections with rubber bands till I get the proper amount of sections rubber banded off. So I need enough sections because I'm going to make this a rainbow design using the 6 colors of the rainbow. And so one more time, we're going to go through and reshape our fan folds and add another rubber band, so we'll have one more stripe for one more of the rainbow colors. So I have everything sectioned off, and I started the design with a crinkle, and I want to end the design with a crinkle. So on this side of the shirt, no more stripes, we're just going to do a nice big crinkle, and then rubber band it into place. Alright, my sections for red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and a big section for purple. We're ready.
Okay, here is the vision that I have for this side fan, because we crinkled this end. So I want contrast up here. So I'm going to use 2 types of purple. The same with this down here at the bottom of the, see if I can get you there, in this bottom here where the red is, because it's kind of crinkled. Before we head over into the next color, I want some contrast here, so I'm going to use 2 different types of red-ishes. So, and I got it, let me clean this. I'm really afraid of getting there. I don't want to get no brown on it. Okay. Oh, Lord. Okay. Okay. We did good. We did good. Okay. So our rainbow colors in this section here is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So here's these are all natural fiber procion dyes. They're mixed to the manufacturer's specifications. And we're going to use fire red, coral pink, soft orange, lemon yellow, bright green, brilliant blue, ultraviolet, sweet pea, and black. So on this side here, we're going to do, so we're going to start this side here. Instead of using the red and the purple, we're going to start with the coral pink and the sweet pea, because I want them to saturate, and then when we flip it over, the dark will come down. So I always start with my lightest colors first. So that being said, in this first kind of fan, it's a little bit fanned and a little bit crinkled. Can we see? One day I will have a bigger workstation so I can share all this, the big designs with you. So I'm just going to do this whole here. The crinkle part, and then there's this fan part. And I'm not going to fully saturate because I kind of want a little bit of white in here. In between the designs. And because I think it'll be offset really nice with the black. So then we're going to go into our next. Oh, that's not orange. Where's my orange? There we go. Here's my orange, soft orange. Into here. I don't care if they bleed into each other. It's a rainbow. And then lemon yellow. Bright green. Brilliant blue. And then up here in this crinkled, where the fan gets separated and crinkled together on this end, I'm going to be pretty liberal with this sweet pea. I think it's going to make a really cool modeling effect. with that ultraviolet on the other side. Here we go. Pretty liberal. Okay, clean my hands up. Wow, that's making a really pretty effect in the bottom of my tub. Okay. Now we are going to turn this bad boy over. And we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to use rainbow colors now. And down here, we're going to use fire red. Up here, we're going to use ultraviolet. We're going to work our way back through it again. So I'm going to start at this end with fire red. There we go. Then we're going to go back in with orange. I don't really think I need to do too much with the yellow. Maybe a little bit. Got a spot of red in there. Let's make it my signature. I gotta get a spot of something somewhere all the time. Some green. Some brilliant blue. And now ultraviolet on this end here. And the same, I'm going to be pretty liberal with that. That's a lot of material bunched up there. It really is. Okay. And now, instead of doing a wash, I'm going to do bands of black. And that's why I like this little bitty tiny nozzle, because it doesn't get out of control. And I am barely going to squeeze it, and I'm barely going to put any on. But I want to have these separations here. So I'm going to do just a couple drops of black. Just a little bit. We're just accenting. Turn it over. And then see how it came through? So we don't have to use that much black. I want to make sure I get some on the sides. Though, I'm just letting it drip in there. Don't go crazy. Let's not get too excited. Ooh, I'm excited about this one. Now we got a lot of orange that ran up here into this yellow. That could be very interesting. Okay. 24 hours. Here it is. I love this so much. I love the crinkle that goes to the stripe, that goes back to the crinkle. And this is really a nice tight crinkle pattern here. And then the black, just a little bit of the black, really defines those bands. What a great experience, just that burst going across. So much fun and so bright and so colorful. Does the world need a little bit more color? If you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. I'll make sure that I put it into a playlist so it's easier for you to find. My channel is just loaded with all kinds of content. It's all over the place, just like me. Just a little smattering of my life. And it's really fun to share with you. So thanks for hanging out today. And remember, be peaceful and be kind. It's important. I'll talk to you soon.